At that moment, I was still thinking that I'm special, that nobody has struggled as much as me, and that considering circumstances, I'm the number one when it comes to getting results from being over 7 figures in debt, no English writing or proper speaking skills, and no online business skills of any kind. My ego was at play here. But what I didn't know at that moment was these 2 fundamental things. First, nobody cares about you as much as you think, if that. And secondly, everyone has their own story and struggle. People overcome insane health issues, insane poverty, abuse, prisons, and many more difficulties beyond belief to achieve incredible things in life. Thinking that you are special, that you deserve something, that you have been treated unfairly is a consequence of your ego. And if you want to have progress